Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips to win on rounds, lesson 10, R&D update and add a new product. So I show you the details now. R&D and update new product is the key to win the most important decision. I show you now. So now you see that we start the game. On the game are equal. So A, B, C, D, E, F not so important. On the game are the same, right? So we start with 5 products, and now we know that traditional segment account for 30%, 32% of market share, and low end accounts for 39, nearly 40%. So these two segments account for 70% of the market share. So products are sold independently. So we are going to add a new product in low end in round 1, and one more product from round 2 we add in traditional, and round 3 we can select from here. Depends on the competitors, right? You check the competitors and then you can do that in later rounds. But round 1 we start with add a new product in low end. Round 2 we need one new product in traditional, right? And then we can double sell, double profit. They account for 70% of market share. So very important. If you don't do that, competitors will do. So you should do that. In order to do so, remember to check the other video for industry condition report. Check the industry condition report to know how to update the product, or you can check the video from lesson 1 to 10 to see the detailed guides, right? And also you can download the free Excel file like this to calculate the sales forecast for R&D. Can download the Excel file, free Excel file to calculate R&D. Check the video 1, 2, 3 to see that. So again, R&D and update new product very important to win the game. That's lesson 10. And if you have the right strategy, you see that you can get the top sale, top profit in, as you see on the screen, from round 4, and you learn all the decision if you watch the 15 video. And if you still need the support, you can send the email to get support for 8 rounds. And always check these top 10 winning tips when you start setting decision for own rounds to win. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.